Well, this is what we had, and according to our introduction, we learned about the toolbars, the menu, navigation, and plus some basic commands that ArchiCAD has. Then we saw how we can set up our project, and also we drew the basic floor plan, which you can see here, and we did a basic roof design and 3D. Yeah, well, we have not yet generated a full design document, but I anticipate we shall have it done. Yes. Yeah, so uh, our project setup that we had is actually standard plot, usually 50 by 100. A 50 is always 15 meters, that is 50 feet by 30 meters. So we started with dimensioning, choosing our dimensions for our project, and ideally go to the options up here, project preferences, then you choose your working units. You can see our length is always in millimeters, the area and the volume also presented there. Then still under options, project preference, dimensions, you find that our dimensions is we are using plain millimeters, yeah, and our unit is there is a millimeter. That's why we started with setting up our project land, which is a 50 by 100, and a 50 is 15 meters. So uh, setting it up, we use the lines, yeah, and you can get the line under the document, the document document side, this side. So it's a line which is 15 meters, making it in millimeters it is 15,000. Then still in millimeters, 30 meters, 30,000. Let it move until you complete your plot size. So as you can see, this is the size of our plot where we placed our design. So how you can generate this building is basically go to our main navigator inside. It's from the design that we have the wall, windows, and the like. So what we want are the walls. So tap the design and go straight to the wall. So select the wall. This is the dialog, settings dialog for all the elements that we place. So whenever I choose a wall, I can see the settings dialog. If it's a beam, if it's a slab, the same thing. So right now we are selecting our wall, and our length that we had, we choose a 9.1 wide house by 9.1 by 12.6. Whenever you tap on M, that's how you can measure your keyboard, tap M, that's what it brings. When you tap on M, you can easily measure off that distance. So selecting the wall tool, bring it in your plot, move along the width and type it was 9.1, which is 9,100. Yes. If you don't move the cursor, you can just continue to 12.6, which is 12,600 millimeters. Don't leave your cursor. Just a matter of seeing the intersection line for the two walls from up and then join your walls. Yeah. So when you measure off, you can find that the external here is 9.1 and here it is 9.7. So when you look at a wall, it is a grouped wall. When you select one corner, it auto selects all the corners. How you can ungroup is just up here. You can just suspend the groups. So when you come back, it's only one wall that is being selected. The reason being, I want to make it a 9.1 as we add it from our initial drawing. This one is a 9.7. So I can just use from the dimensions, I can just use a line, measure of 9.1, which is 9,100, stops here. Don't leave your cursor. That is where our line, this is where our 9.1 stops. So when I select this wall P, when you press letter P, this is what it does. That is letter P. It mirrors the wall. So when I select my wall, you see what it does. Look at the ribbon being presented here, that is displayed here. This one is a stretcher, and this one is a drag tool. So when you want to drag, you don't just take it to the point where you want. Rather, you come on this displayed ribbon and tap on drag, so that you can drag your whole wall, your entire wall, to the point to make it such that from this point it is a 9.1. Yeah. So when you, but we don't need this protruding wall here. So you control, you can just press control on your keyboard. You can just press control on your keyboard and cut that protruding area. See, now we want to extend this wall up to this side. So what we can do is we can tap on this shift, select the two walls, and then intersect them. Yeah, from up here. So this one is only selecting one line, but remember we drew two lines. This one came from here up to here, and we branched off from here. So to group them, still you come back there and you delete your keyboard. I don't know if we are far. So our length here is 12.6, which is this side it is 13.2. You can go through the similar process. Line, we want it to be 12.6 from this point, come down to 12.6. So we drag this. This is just it's grouped. You can ungroup, then come back. What it does is to mirror, come just along your line that you created. Control, then you can suspend the two lines and delete them. Yeah, so we have our our exterior wall of the house that we designed. What is the length of this point to this point? It is 5.9. I can use a line. I measure off 5.9. So my 5.9 is starting from here, from this point up to this point. So I can just still select my design, my wall, this point up to this point. Double click. You can now select your line and delete it. So far we have the skeleton of our plan. So we went ahead and installed the doors, these two doors, and then our windows. So what we do is just go to your design, select the door tool. We have a dialog for settings for our doors. Now we are using a double door with a transom. Yeah, you can select any door of your desire. Okay, place it where you want it. Yes. So this is our first door. You can select it. Look at its width. This is the height. You can extend its width. Made it 1.8. It can be 2-meter door, 2-meter wide door. This one we have already is 2.5. Let's do the same. Yeah. So you can select it and right click, move, drag a copy. Yeah. So we can just take our one more copy, put it here, and have our second door. Also add a window. Yes. So you just go to your windows and look at the Windows dialog, settings. This is what we had at the front. Say OK. Place your window. Okay. And the other window. Yeah. Yeah. Control E to make it I've done it. So this one is a double window, double. Still, let's go to our windows, the window dialog. This is what we took as a double window. Put it at the back. Put it at the back. Don't remember the width. Width was 18.8. Same applies to this. Yeah. So this is what we had in the first place. This is what we are trying to achieve next to the one we had last time. So remaining is the slab and the roof, where just go to your roof. Yeah, make sure follow the settings here. It's a multi-plane and it's a complex roof, corner to corner, corner to corner. Your roof is created, but look at these two roofs, they're a little bit different. You can, from the 3D window, you can select your roof, go to the settings down. This is the pitch, make it maybe 25, and from uh, the story, from the zero level, make it maybe like 3.3. So you can adjust your pitch angle maybe to 30 or 35. Yeah, 35, 35, and yeah, this is what we have achieved. Yeah, that's good, that's good. Then we can go back to the slab, where the slab goes, corner to corner. Yeah, and complete. So when we go to the 3D window, this is what we had last time, and this is what we still have achieved. Thank you.